In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log time in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can log your time accurately and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your work area in Jira. This is your centralized hub where you can access all your tasks and projects. You can either open your Jira application or log in via your web browser. Once you're logged in, look towards the navigation bar and find the section labelled Your Work. This section is designed to give you quick access to your tasks, so click on that to proceed. Now that you're in your work, the next step is selecting the relevant project you're working on. You'll see a list of projects associated with your account ranging from ongoing tasks to those nearing completion. Choose the project for which you want to log time. Picking the correct project is crucial as it ensures your time is allocated to the right area. Once you've selected your project, you'll want to focus on the issues or tasks within it. This is the area where you'll do much of your work. Look for a tab or section labelled Issues and click on it. This will display all tasks, bugs, or stories related to the selected project. Navigating to the correct issue is key to logging work accurately, so take a moment to find the one you're working on. After you've clicked on Issues, you might need to filter through different tasks or sort them to find the relevant one. Once you've located the correct issue, it's time to access the task-specific menu. You'll notice a series of options related to the issue you've selected. Usually there are 3 dots symbolizing more options. Click on these 3 dots. This symbol is standard in many applications, indicating additional features or actions you can perform. Once you've clicked the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select the option labelled Log Work. Clicking Log Work will open a new interface where you can input details about the time you've spent on the issue. This feature is crucial for tracking progress, understanding workload distribution, and ensuring that project timelines are kept in check. In the Log Work interface, you'll be prompted to enter the time you spent on the task. It's essential that you provide an accurate time entry here. You might find it helpful to keep a log throughout your workday so you have precise records to input. Enter the time in the format that your team or organization follows, whether it's in hours, days, or another unit. After inputting the time spent, there is usually another field labeled Time Remaining. Here, you should estimate and type the time you think you still need to complete the task. This estimation can guide your project management in allocating resources more effectively and setting realistic deadlines. With both time spent and time remaining duly entered, the last step is to save your entry. Locate the Save button in the interface and click it. This action will finalize your log entry and update the task's records, ensuring everything is up to date. Remember, accurate logging helps keep everyone on the same page and projects moving smoothly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to log time in Jira. Keep in mind that getting into the habit of logging your time regularly will greatly enhance transparency and efficiency within your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time, happy logging.